Welcome to the Trails Less Traveled. In this adventure, we're headed out in search of fresh powder on the forecast in hopes to go camping in the snow. We just wanted to get away from the city for a little while and enjoy being out there. Hey bro, what's the weather?
Well, it's currently 39 degrees and there's a mix of clouds. The sun's shining this morning, followed by mostly cloudy skies.
Mostly cloudy skies.
A few snow showers this afternoon. The morning high was 39 degrees Fahrenheit and the temperatures are going to be falling near 30 degrees by this afternoon.
Welcome back to another video, guys. This is the Trails Less Traveled. If you haven't been here before, you're missing out. We are headed off for some snow adventures today because there's snow adventure like a snow adventure. Get that? No, just filled up the Jeep with all the gear, got some groceries, ready to roll, headed out and have a good time. This semi up here might catch on fire, I don't know. We're just gonna leave the camera rolling just in case. All right, it stopped now. All right, okay, like 45 seconds ago before I turned on the camera, this semi to the right, I swear to God, it seemed like this guy was about to burst into flames. Little suspect over here. Does he look nervous? Oh, he looks nervous. And we got Party Like a Rock Star, the Shop Boys playing. Old school bangers today. Alright, we just got into the actual city of Big Bear, gashing up the Jeep right now. And as much as I would love to continue wearing the branded apparel, I gotta say, I think it's getting a little bit too cold right now. I'm gonna swap over and wear something that's like actual outdoor apparel. Whew. Insulating. Just got out here to start airing down. And I don't know if you can hear the wind, but when I stand up, I'll give you a listen. On the way up, it said that there was supposed to be like some potential 40 miles an hour. I don't even know if you can hear me, but it said there was going to be some potential 40 mile an hour gust. And I definitely believe it right now because, oh, he's going pee over there. It is windy as 34 degrees out here right now. And with the wind chill, it is absolutely freezing out here right now with the wind. It might be a cold night. right, it is ultra icy, ultra windy out here. I do not think we are going to take the extra hard path today. I think that we are going to take the left-hand side, which is AKA easy mode route, but that's okay.
So I didn't get a good look at my approach here. Remind me of, you want me to take the left side?
You're gonna take your right side, sorry. Just keep it locked to the passenger. Keep it locked, keep it locked. All right, now start turning driver. Straighten him out. Yeah, hold that. It's good, don't worry, it'll make it. Straighten out. All right, hold up right there. Hold your brakes, you're gonna slide. You might wanna back up a little. Your tires are good. Perfect, you're doing great. Yep, keep them driver. You're gonna climb a little bit. Straighten them out. Easy money, buddy. Easy money. So for everyone at home,
Driving, watching you film and snow blows by completely sideways.
for everyone at home, this terrain is hard to walk on, and there's like, you know, 30 mile an hour, 40 mile an hour wind blowing snow sideways, and we're out here filming. Just keep that in mind. We might.
At this point, with the snow coming down as heavy as it was, we knew we were probably going to have to pull off of the trail a little bit early and try to find a spot that gave us some protection from all the wind. Otherwise, it was going to be a noisy night with the tent rattling around. Right after this, we were pulling up to an obstacle called the Squeeze. If you've never been there, it's kind of intimidating.
Hold on, look at his face. Welcome to the Squeeze. Just wide enough to fit your Jeep. Okay. Yep, keep coming how you're coming. You're looking good. You're good, trust me. Keep going. Keep it locked to the driver. Yep, straighten out. Actually, hang on. Stop. Driver. More driver. Turn to the driver's side. Yep, yep. Okay, straighten out. Nope, nope. Straight. Straighten them up. Nope, straight. Right there. And that, my friend, is the Squeeze. Keep going. A little more, driver. All right, straighten out and hold it steady right there. Okay, now start to turn driver as you're gonna turn driver as you come down. Right brakes.
after getting through these obstacles, the snow was still coming down pretty heavy and it was starting to get a little bit later, so we decided it was time for us to pull off of the trail and start searching for a spot that we could tuck the Jeep up next to some trees because the wind was still really strong.
Bro, did I pick the worst spot to back up or what?
Bloodshot eyes, I walked to the water for a last goodbye. He begged so much, it clouded my mind. One thing's clear, the man's gotta die. But it makes right, so he said.
So we just stopped on the trail kind of midway through. We decided it's getting dark. The snow's starting to come down pretty good. We got a pretty good spot here that's tucked in with the trees, and we backed up the Jeep to get a little bit more wind cover. And I'm gonna start setting up camp before it gets too dark.
Down the river where the kids can't find a red-handed sinner. On where the grave can't cry out. 'Cause I done wrong. Down the river with a hand on a Colt and a finger on the trigger. And before dawn they try to find me. Just take me on down. Take me on down.
Oh shit, show the camera how cool you look. Yeah, baby.
Spotlights, dogs, the whole 9 yards of breathing down my neck and breathing hard. 2 weeks in a wild
Rambo.
chase across the highways, mountains over 7 states. Found a man at the harbor, said that he could take me across the ocean somewhere far away. Lord, forgive me. Take me on down the river where the kids can't find a red-handed sinner. On where the grave can cry out. 'Cause I done wrong.
All right, well, he's working on doing the fire. I'm gonna get to work on chopping up some wood because it's pretty early, so if we have this going, it's probably gonna go through, my hat's frozen, probably gonna go through a good amount of wood tonight. I peeled off a couple layers because I don't want to get real sweaty from the cold and then be shivery afterwards. Let's get to it. Man, look at that. 3 for 1. Did your granddad cut wood that way? You know, a lot of people, they go out into the woods and they forget to bring an axe. The most important piece of equipment you could ever bring with you is your lady Sheila right here. That's a fine looking girl. Let's get back to chopping. All right, got the table set up. Gonna throw the steaks on early while it's still light out and then just hang out once it starts to get dark. So we're gonna start cooking. We just put some of this this color flame on the fire. This is like my favorite stuff, although we probably shouldn't have the steaks near it, but you know, we might have some
Color steaks.
interesting effects.
It's unicorn steaks.
So in case you're wondering, hey, what did you guys put on your steaks? Well, the most important flavoring that we put on there was seasoned with the touch of a blizzard and just a hint of the tears of Toyota drivers.
Dinner is served. Be our guest, be our guest, put our service to the test. Tie a napkin around your waist, Sherry, and all your world will be travel free. I don't know if that's actually the lyrics, but I tried.
At night time, and it's sitting down the fire. Think of the white walkers beyond the wall, tearing wild things apart.
You know, mate, when it's late at night and you're sitting around a campfire, you're thinking to myself, oh, what am I do? I don't know. Add another log. You know, at night in the day and under, what we like to do is just add a little log on the fire and napping it. Call people see how they like it. But you know, it's a diverse word in how you can use it, because it's got a good For the night is dark and full of terror. The Lord of Light, in his flames we see. Stannis Baratheon, the one true king. Do you love me? Could you ever love me? I'm all grey. I got all things that are good. It's Harry Potter.
So what I'm gonna do here is Bear Grylls. My hands are very cold, so I'm gonna stick them deep into the fire. I don't recommend you do this unless it's an absolute emergency, and I've been trained properly to do this before. Here we go.
Alright, hope I didn't lose you with the being silly part. Now back to the adventure.
Alright, good morning. It is breakfast time. It is especially cold out here this morning. Gonna warm up, have some breakfast, pack up camp, and then take off and hit the trails. Had some breakfast. Feeling pretty good. Time to pack things up and then hit the trail. All right, officially packed up. Let's hit the trail.
That wraps it up for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, release that parking brake on the subscribe and hit the gas pedal on the like button. Go on, try it. It's free. Okay, that's all, guys. My name is Matt, this is the Trails Less Traveled, and until the next time, we'll see you out on the trails.